You ready?
Cool.
This a duck hunt here, boy.
What is going on, guys? Gambino Brothers coming back at you for another one out in North Dakota once again. We got a sweet hunt out of the layout boats today. And we already finished our hunt. It's about 9:30 and it was a banger. So be sure to check it out.
Yeah, today we hunted this is a spot we found first day we got to Nodak, and it's been filled the entire time. So it's kind of a midday spot. There were a couple birds on it this morning. We let them roll out. We got in here and crushed. So yeah. Absolute banger. Yeah. Stay tuned. You're gonna want to watch it.
You ready?
Cool. Crunched. Nice, Mark.
There we go, bud.
There we go.
Beautiful, dude.
Beautiful. That was awesome. Now that is wing shooting. Ready?
Kill it.
Got him.
I don't know what those are.
Something.
Pen diver or some sort. Oh, bud, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move, don't move.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Yep, kill the drake.
Drake's in the middle. Drake is in the middle. One drake, two hens.
Yep, kill the drake.
Drake's in the middle. Drake is in the middle. On the back. Yep, kill him. There we go.
Let's go, Mark.
Yes, sir.
Nice shooting, bro. We were both just locked right there.
Yep. Look at him. Orange feet up, boy.
Yes, sir.
Shoo! Beauty, dude.
Yep, another nice one.
Beauty, dude. That's a good one, too.
Will you take this?
Yep.
Got a teal.
Yep.
Look at that boy.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Alright.
Buffies. Nice. Drake Goldeneye.
Yep.
Let's go, dude.
Go, Mark.
Just stacking
Bro,
the drakes, baby.
Try and kill drakes. Drake up front. Nice.
Drake Goldeneye.
Yep.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go, Mark.
Just stacking
Bro, we
the drakes,
pieced
baby.
that thing.
We pieced that boy.
Let's go, Mark. I only have one shell in my gun there. He's dead as a doornail.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, from the right, Mark. So
Yep.
we got 6 ducks right now.
Yep. This a duck hunt here, boy.
Drake out front. We pieced that boy. Let's go, Mark. I only had one shell in my gun there. He's dead as a doornail. Oh my, from the right, Mark. So we got 6 ducks right now. Yeah, we're killing only drakes here on out. Let's go, Mark. See these two up front? Up front, Mark. Up front. Up front.
Kill him.
Kill him. Nice.
I think those are teal.
Yep.
It's alright, we like teal poppers.
Yeah, we do. Oh, he dove.
Podby, where are you? There he is.
He's dead.
Pick up quick. We had 4 in the boat.
Yep.
I got 2, you got 2.
I got 2, you got 2.
So that's 8.
Yep. 3 up front.
kill him. I think those are teal.
Nope.
It's all right. We like teal poppers.
Yeah, we do. Oh, he dove.
Nice golden eye, dude.
Mark's going for the wounded retrieve. Yahtzee. Always got to get your sailors. Oh my goodness, you guys. This has been sick. We knew this could be juicy. We didn't know exactly what to expect, but banging. We got 8 ducks down so far. We got 3 Drake mallards. I think that puts us at 4 teal and a stud goldeneye. So we were debating on if we pick drakes or not, but we're just some wing shooters. I'm cool with some teal poppers. Yeah, absolute blast. Like I said, we got 8 ducks. We need 4 more. And we can get out of here and hopefully go home and take a nap. And then go do some scouting and see if we can get another dry field mallard hunt. So, yeah, this has been sick.
Huh? Yeah.
2 drakes. Nope, you're good. You're good. Here we go, here we go, here we go. If these drakes come over top, let's kill them. Do you want to kill those out there? No, they're going to spin right in.
2 drakes. I'm going to take the right one.
I got the bottom one. Yo, shoot that drake. Watch your ears. Okay.
Let's go, dude.
Let's go, Mark.
2 drakes doing a dirty
Yes.
standing outside of the boat.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, they ate it up, dude. All right, we need 1 more duck for a limit.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, divers out front. All right, last duck's yours, bud.
All right. Do I wait and see if these geese are coming right at us, or do I kill this thing? Crushed. It's a hen.
Bud, can you bum me a shell quick?
Yeah, I don't have that many left. I assume that duck's deader than a doornail right there.